Hello friends, welcome to Material Cost Problem Solutions. This question was asked in Saurashtra University examination in 2019. Friends, before we move further, pause this video and read this question so that you can understand it easily. So friends, you have gone through this question. Here we are required to calculate material turnover rate as well as turnover period from the given information. Here opening stock, closing stock and purchase of material is available. Opening stock 20,000, closing stock 50,000 and purchase is 1,70,000. Let us solve this question. So friends, first of all we will start this calculation with average stock because we will require it for turnover rate. So average stock is very easy, opening plus closing stock divide by 2. So here opening 20,000 plus closing 50,000 divide by 2. So the final answer of average stock is rupees 35,000. Okay friends, now we will calculate material turnover rate. The formula for material turnover rate is opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock, or instead of that we can also say a cost of goods sold divided by average stock. So here we will put the values in this formula: 20,000 plus 1,70,000 minus 50,000 divided by average stock 35,000. Now if we simplify this formula, the final answer of material turnover rate is 4 times. Okay friends, now last point, that is material turnover period. The answer of this turnover period will come in number of days. So the formula is 365 days divided by material turnover rate. Remember friends, normally we used to take this 365 days for entire year, but if in the question specific number of days are given, for example 360 days, then we have to consider that number of days. Now if we put the value, so 365 divided by 4, that is material turnover rate. So final answer here is 91.25. Here this answer shows the days, so this 0.25 we have to convert in a full day. So here final answer we can say that is 92 days material turnover period.